bastard! Camera never sit straight. Hello guys! So, like my nails? I did them by myself. I know, right? So, yeah, this is kind of a random video. Like, my hair is crazy right now. Because I just took it out of a ponytail. Like, I had my hair like this, and whenever I take it out, I was like, explosion. So yeah, these took me forever to do. Like this one. Now I can flip the bird in style. Oh, you're so bad on it. You're so bad. You're so bad. Anyway, I couldn't take a shower tonight because the retards across the street decided to turn off the water. So now the water's brown. Therefore, I can't take a shower. I'm ticked. I'm gonna go flip the bird in style at them. Come with me. It'll be fun. Fuck you all. I hate you. I hate all of you. I'm flipping myself off. I hate you all. I hate you. Okay, see yous later.